Hello friends, I'm quite sure our government is trying to do its very best to see to it that the lost confidence of the economy is recovering very fast, especially in the SME sector. As we have seen a lot happening as far as the large businesses are concerned, a lot of money is coming into the country. So it shows that the world has an interest in India. But I suppose the world will have much more interest in India if we are able to produce value or add value to whatever we produce. For example, if we sell iron ore and call it as export, it is not such a good idea. But if you are able to produce good quality steel and re-export back, it's definitely an excellent idea. Even in steel, if you are producing cheap grade of steels, it may be a good idea. But if you are able to produce automobile grade steels, it is again an excellent idea. Similarly, if we are able to produce molds and dies, by which we are able to further do a lot of production activities, that is an excellent idea. And I suppose all our big industry is suffering not because they are not able to produce, but the availability of good tool rooms which can produce dies and molds and jigs and fixtures is very, very limited. So the government must pay a special emphasis in developing the facilities of molds and dies making in the country. And also the government must have policies in which all the companies which are doing high value addition are given a lot of support. For example, a company having inputs worth 95 crores and selling for 100 crores is obviously not adding too much of value. But at the same time, a company having a turnover of 100 crores and having inputs of just 70 crores is obviously adding much more value. So the government must incentivize the value addition part of the enterprise, and that will give a very big boost to the industry. And this is, I suppose, can be done by having a turnover type of tax which can be a choice of the entrepreneur. And if one company is only paying turnover tax without bothering about the profitability, what he will be taxed at, he will be automatically incentivized to really produce much more, add much more value to whatever he produces. That way he is assured of a very minimal amount of taxation, but at the same time he will be adding much more value to the system. Anyhow, I will really keep on sharing my views, and I hope these can reach the right ears and eyes of the policymakers.